Montana Lake living, Canyon Ferry Lake, right outside Helena, Montana, $675,000. Let's check it out. This property is located on the northeast side of Canyon Ferry Lake and is only about 25 miles from Helena. It's also less than 2 miles from Kim's Marina. The house comes equipped with a central vacuum, a dishwasher, stove, refrigerator, satellite dish, and a water softener. And of course, the fabulous views and mountain fresh air from your balcony off the master bedroom. So as you can see, it's gonna need a little bit of love. However, for $675,000, you get over half an acre, you have amazing mountain and Canyon Ferry Lake views. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1,850 square feet, hardwood flooring, a balcony off the master bedroom, RV parking, and year-round access. This property is located at 3710 Upper Dam Drive, Helena, Montana. It's listed at $675,000, and it's got plenty of room for all your toys. The home is located off of Canyon Ferry Road. Most of your residents are year-round, but it would make a perfect summer home as well. This could be your drive every day. Is the Montana lake life for you? Reach out to me today and I'll get you some more information.